Hi everyone, welcome to the channel Tutor Talkie. In this tutor, now we are going to see AWS Podcast. So what is AWS Podcast and how we can be utilized AWS Podcast? Everything we can see in this tutor. So let's go now. What is AWS Podcast? The AWS Podcast is the podcast for developer and IT profession looking for the latest news and trends in storage, security, infrastructure, serverless and more. So this is useful for the developer and IT profession who is looking for the latest news about the AWS official information. So everything we can be get it in the podcast. If you are the training machine learning or developing open source project or building cloud solution, this podcast is official is used for you. So you can get the latest news everything from the AWS podcast. Now we are going to the AWS website and see how we can be access the AWS Amazon podcast website. I am logging with the link of aws.amazon.com/podcast. The link have been given in the description. You can click the link and directly come to this page. Now we are going to see how to use the AWS podcast. So here we can see the lot of podcasts that has been given by the AWS. These all are in the latest episode that have been given by AWS. So we can check using the filter by the series, which series that you have been required to be see in this AWS podcast. So you can just click the AWS official podcast, startup podcast. If you click, it will be changed here and it will become the latest one. So here the for AWS startup podcast nothing is there, and I can click the AWS official podcast. So we can see some of the topic has been given by AWS podcast. So then we have the category, which category that you record to be see. Suppose if you have the compute instance, you want to continue to see about the content, you want to see about the database. If you click that one, it will show the latest official latest that have been given by AWS podcast. So everything we can be seen by here. Then we can be by industry. So which industry that is going, gaming industry, healthcare, hospital or automotive or customer engagement, everything that has been giving here. Then we have to use the product, which service or product that you have been using in the AWS podcast. So I am just clicking the AWS EC2. So here we can see the topic about the AWS EC2 that has been recently enabled by AWS podcast. Or I can be just choosing with the file system. So here we can will be change like EC2 file system. It was an area at the topic like the introduction AWS Amazon EFS one zone and innovation with the my biggest stone. So everything we can be showing here. Here there is a multiple option. It will be here for utilizing the podcast. You want to go to here and click the arrow button. It will play the topic that you have been clicking here, introduction about Amazon EFS one zone. So it is helpful to without reading the document all the everything that has been clearly explained in this voice. If you record, you can just go to here and you can download this voice for future enable or future reading everything. For that we are using the podcast. So or if you have the another option, it is that if you want to know the topic about this, you can directly click here and you can be search. So I am searching, it will be like S3. So click here. So it will show the what are the option about the S3, what are the topic, it will be there. Then how we can make everything, it will be showing here. You can directly click and you can be utilize the podcast. So that is guys, now you know about the podcast, how we can be utilize the podcast in AWS Amazon.com. So in the next video we can see with different topic. Until then, bye from Shiva.